Hey everybody, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed. It's Wednesday, hump day, and we are still on a roll making patriotic decor for my tiered tray that I will be showing y'all at the end of the week once we get done. Every craft that we have done this week has all been patriotic and will all be in a tiered tray together with a patriotic theme, and so you could create your own. We made this sign on Monday, okay? So we made this USA sign for my tiered tray on Monday. It's just a little cute sign. I just love it. We made that, so it was just super cute. Then yesterday, we made these mini, and they are smaller than they look on here, but my mini firecrackers. So we made a set of 3. This is what we made yesterday, this set of 3 firecrackers. Are they not adorable? These are one of the favorite things I've ever made. Actually, both of those projects are. I just think they really turned out super cute. So we've made those 2 things so far. Now, what we are going to do today is, like, I like to call it like a filler piece. Like when you're decorating a tiered tray, you have different heights and you have different pieces, and they're a little bit smaller. But then you also have filler pieces. So anyway, when you're doing a tiered tray, you have, different variants and everything in it, and you also have what I call filler pieces. So we're going to make a couple filler pieces this week, also along with bigger items to mix and match. And today is one of the filler pieces. But you can use this for so many different things too. We're going to make streamers. Let me just tell you what we're making. We're going to use these sticks from my yard. Just those sticks, just sticks. And we're going to make streamers. So we're going to have ribbons coming off of them with all fun, patriotic theme. And we're just going to kind of stick them. I'll show you, but like maybe you'll take like a mug or something, like a cute mug or like some kind of cute cup or something, and just kind of stick them in there, and then the streamers kind of hang down, and it just adds a little bit of extra fluff to your tiered tray. So it's gonna be really, really cute. So this is something you can do for every season, obviously. If you want to do, like, let's say you did a lemon tray. I know a lot of people are doing those. Then you could take yellow and white and black ribbon and make these and put that in your tiered tray as well for Christmas, Christmas ribbon, anything you want to do. But this is going to be fun for the 4th of July. So it's just going to be a fun, easy thing that anybody can do. I did go ahead and get some of these little bitty, what do you even call it? Rubber bands. I could not get it out. Rubber bands that we use on our hair, like me and my daughter, which I can't use much on my hair because my hair is so thick, but she can use these in her hair when we're pulling a little bit of it back. And so I'm gonna, I think what I'm gonna do is get all my stuff together and then tie it with these at the top. That's my plan anyway. So we're gonna do 3 different streamers, and we're gonna do just, there is no rhyme or reason to this, the way I'm going to do it. We're just going to pick, I just pulled out, and some of this is going to maybe be too big, so I'm not sure. I may have to cut it down the middle if I want to use it. I just don't know what it's going to look like, so I'm just going to see. So anyway, I got a bunch of ribbon over here. Just, every red, white, and blue ribbon I could find here, I grabbed because I want it to be super fun and over the top. And this is just so cute. It's from Christmas. And y'all definitely use your red ribbon from Christmas and Valentine's, okay? For sure. So just all this awesome ribbon. I mean, have you ever seen so much awesomeness? Seriously. Do y'all get excited about ribbon like I do? So let's get started. I'm just going to start pulling together lots of different ribbon. I just pulled together all this ribbon right here, y'all. And I went ahead and did it long, like this, so that it could be varying lengths. I actually did varying lengths. I said long. I did it with just a bunch of varying lengths. This one I don't have pulled all the way over. But look, just like this. So what I'm going to do is, let me think what I'm going to do here, because I want to make sure I do this that makes sense. So I am going to do it like this. Put the stick right here. I'm going to push it over and then tie my rubber band around the top. Okay, just like this. How easy is that, y'all? Woo! Happy 4th of July. How cute would kids, man, kids, okay, when you go see the fireworks this year and kids can do their little streamer, how cute would this be for pictures, y'all? Like, you know how you all, or at least I do. Okay, but you know, at 4th of July or Christmas, anytime, you want cute pictures with your kids. I mean, you just want them to look cute. You want them to have their red, white, and blue on. How cute would they be holding one of these, shaking them, and smiling? Y'all need to make these. This is adorable. So we're going to set this. Can you imagine it sitting in your tier tray with your fireworks that we make and with our USA sign we made? Like, look, all these together, y'all. Can you picture these in your tiered tray? I'm getting way too excited. But this is really, really cute. I'm not even joking. So let's make some more. Let's make 2 more because I've got 2 more sticks. So where do I want to set this? I'll just set it right over here. This is adorable. Adorable. And see how the top, it just kind of, you know, we put that little rubber band around it. Can't even hardly notice the rubber band. That is cute. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now, let's move along. And now, most of them are going to have a lot of the same ribbon in it. Okay, so I did not use this one last time, but I'm going to use that this time. This was actually, I just took the thing off, but, oh, yeah, I took this off, the back. This was for Christmas. They're little Christmas bows that I buy at Hobby Lobby when they're like, I don't know, 80% off. And I just stick them on gifts and around bags and stuff, and they're just so cute. So we're going to use some of them today, too. They're not as long, so they're going to kind of be more up at the top, but that's okay. It's still going to be really cute. I'm going to still go ahead and use a couple of them. And I'm going to get some more of my white. I need to cut it, though, because it's a little bit long. Looking. But guess what? I didn't use enough blue in my last one, so I need to use blue in this one. So I've got this. This was on clearance for $1.24 at Hobby Lobby one day. That was a good deal. Wish I could come across those deals all the time. Yeah, that blue really added something. Okay, so let's use this. And yeah, some of them have navy and some are royal, but it doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. Don't fret over stuff like that. Okay, I'm going to see if this is going to look good, but it may be too thick. If it's too thick, then I will cut it down the middle because I really like this gingham. Well, if I can get my scissors right here, right there. It might be too thick. I don't know. I don't really think it's too thick. Do y'all? I think it kind of adds to it. Yeah, I like it. Okay, let's do it. Let's go with it, y'all, for real. Oh gosh, I get way too excited over this silliness, but makes life fun. So we're gonna do exactly what we just did before. Put the stick in and then cover up the top, just like so. Tie a rubber band around it. Yeah, you could definitely use the clear ones. And here we go. Yes, we do. And you can always, always, always do it different. I mean, you know, than me. This is just what I'm doing, and I think it's so fun. Oh, I just really like it. I like that it's not perfect, y'all. Like, why would this need to be perfect? You know what I mean? Like, look how fun these are. Yay! I could just, I just wanted, I'm definitely going to keep these and take pictures with my kids in them. This was a fun one today, y'all. Make sure you do this with your kids too, because they're gonna love this. This is a really fun one right here, okay? So that's all I got for today. I should have planned more, but that was really fun. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all have an awesome, awesome day, and I hope y'all start making some of this stuff because I want to see what y'all do. Bye, guys.